Got me a big burrito. It's a California burrito with barbecue beef, which is barbacoa. Got me an avocado. Got me some onion I'm finna cut up. Got my sausage. Let me cut this up. I'll be right back. Got my onions cut up. I had to put them on the plate. I'm on your ass like onions on the paper plate. Look at that. Hold on. White on rice. Okay, boom. I'll be right back. Quick little guac salsa. Little spicy guac. Alright, I had an interruption. Still mixing. Alright, now it's finna be time to eat. Look at that. Goodness, it's so bright. Alright. Burrito unwrapping time. Because I never had a burrito from these people. I always get the tacos. I've been tired of the tacos. So we're going to start. Okay. Remember, I got barbecue beef. Barbacoa. I always eat this first little meat off. Bread off. Tomato fell out. Look at them. French fries in here. Barbacoa. We got pico. It's big too. Okay. So, first bite, delicious. I'm not even recognizing the barbacoa. Let me taste it. Cause it's usually pretty fatty, but it's very tender. I didn't want nothing that I had to chew up a lot. Alright. From here on out, not a lot of talking. Eating. Okay. Then we got the little guac. Which it said it had guac in here, but I just had to have me an avocado.
Sometimes mom will use them all up before you can even sell them. And you have to beat her up. Going over parents like that. I heard a lot. I saw a lot. I caught on to the criminal life real quick. Instead of keeping me out of trouble, they turned me on to it.
Okay, it's fatty. Like I remember, like I thought. It is on now.
Wait a minute, let me show you how to hold it.
This is over here, right? Ooh. McDonald's. We know y'all using their water from the dirty lines for their drink. My children had McDonald's and they beg for it, which I don't let them eat. It's the French fries. The pico. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Bye.